Here's a little unboxing of this Ckin pet nail grinder right here. As you can see, my pup is in need of some nail care. So I thought I'd just do a little unboxing on camera right here. Let's see how I get this open. Right there it is. I know I like to see how stuff comes packaged. And a little instruction manual, charging cable. And it's just nice to see what their product actually looks like. Couple additional grinders right there, some replacement grinders, and then here's the main unit. Oop, I already hit the power button. Has a little bit of a hum to it. Power it off. Let's get it open. Really nice looking. Power it back on again. There you go. And holding it the wrong way. That's how fast it's going. And then you got the cap right here. And then here's the grinder right here. There's a look at it. And let's watch it spin. There it is.